What if I told you that there's $1 million right in front of you? Sounds unbelievable, right? But here's the truth. This is actually the one thing that every millionaire is doing to make millions online. Sure, they have great products, sleek websites, and a solid brand. But there's one crucial skill that millionaires have mastered to scale their businesses. No, it's not marketing, AI automation, or even sales. It's far simpler than that. And you might already be doing it without realizing its potential. By using this skill, I've made over $5 million, all by the time I was 22. And now, I'm going to show you exactly what this skill is, one that I and hundreds of other savvy entrepreneurs are using to generate millions online. Here's a hint. You've probably already done it before. Maybe you've posted pictures on Instagram, Facebook, or even filmed a TikTok video. But here's the difference. You've only taken the first step and stopped there. Maybe a few friends liked your post, but little did you know, this exact process is turning everyday people into millionaires. What's this secret skill? Creating content. Yep, it's that simple. Content creation is one of the most powerful tools in today's world. I started posting content 4 years ago, and ever since, I've made millions of dollars from it. And I'm not alone. Go ahead and search for your favorite dropshippers, marketers, or entrepreneurs. I can guarantee that they probably have thousands of followers on social media and take content creation seriously. Here's why. Social media is everywhere. It's one of the most powerful tools we have access to in the modern world. You're already posting content on social media. You're just not using it to its full potential. Sure, it's a fun way to keep in touch with friends and family, but it can be much more than that. And that's exactly what the top business owners have figured out. Social media is the easiest way to make money right now. People are going viral every day on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube without even trying. But here's what will set you apart. You're going to intentionally turn your audience into paying customers. Whether you're selling digital products, physical goods, courses, or affiliate products, it doesn't matter. The same basic method applies to all types of businesses. You post content. A potential customer sees it. They buy into your business. Simple, right? And here's the best part. You don't have to spend thousands of dollars on ads anymore. What you get in return is much more valuable. An engaged audience that loves your content and comes back to buy more. But how do you create an audience that sticks around? By creating good content. That's why I came up with a quick 3-pillar framework called the LPM strategy. Pillar 1. Learning. The first step is all about learning. Before you can create good content, you need to understand how it works. The good news? You've already started by watching this video, but there are many other great resources to dive into. Some of the best books I recommend are Show Your Work by Austin Kleon. This is Marketing by Seth Godin. Atomic Habits by James Clear. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. You can also watch tons of YouTube tutorials. Pillar 2. Posting. Now that you've learned, it's time to start posting content. Here's how to get started. 1. Pick a niche you're passionate and knowledgeable about. It could be anything: finance, fitness, health, gaming, whatever suits you. 2. Show your face in your content if you're comfortable. It helps build a connection with your audience, but it's not mandatory. 3. Start creating short-form videos on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. I recommend posting 2 to 3 videos a day for the first 90 days. Wondering what kind of videos to post? Look at successful creators in your niche and create similar content, but with your own twist. You don't need expensive equipment. You can record everything on your phone. For editing, I recommend using the app CapCut. You can even create videos without showing your face. AI tools like InVideo can help you create videos quickly and easily by just giving it a few prompts. Pillar 3. Monetizing. Finally, it's time to make money from your content. There are many ways to do this, but my 2 favorite methods are affiliate marketing and selling digital products. 1. Affiliate marketing. As an affiliate marketer, you promote a brand's product or service using a unique link. If someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Search for affiliate programs in your niche, or use platforms like ClickBank, Amazon Associates, or Impact.com. For example, I'm in the finance niche, so I promote Shopify, Robinhood, and Coinbase, which earns me over $50,000 a month. Look at other content creators in your space to see what affiliate links they're promoting. So, if you want to turn your content into a multi-million-dollar business, now is the time to start. Post content, build an audience, and monetize it with smart strategies like affiliate marketing or selling digital products. Trust me, content creation is the easiest way to change your life, and it's already changing the lives of hundreds of business owners. It can do the same for you.